Welcome to daily video number 57 here in Costa Rica on the ranch. I'm going to open these gates because the calves are just down there. They're drinking some water. But they got out of our little pen. We made them into the pasture, which is fine. They're out there eating grass with the other cows. But now we want them to eat some more pellets so that they can get a lot of minerals and vitamins they need when they're younger. So, open these two. And it just forces them to go in there. They should want to go right in there into that blue trough. On, buds. I'm gonna go over here and kind of push them this way. Beat them into there. On, buds. Go. This way. Come on. Oh, no. I should have closed that. Oh, all like the bug-eating ones. The bananas. Okay, cool. So pretty much anything eaten. The pigs will eat these, which is good. But these are like either bug eaten or eaten by the horses. Maybe a few times the Angus got in here too. And I'll leave that. It's bug ate. There we go. Banana trees. So we're clearing a path along this fence line here because there's a big opening I'll show here soon for all the cows have been getting out, and right over behind the camera Corey made a little corn patch, and the Angus ate all the corn one morning. So we've got to patch this fence. This is yucca. It's we eat the roots. It's okay. It's like a really tough potato. It's probably tougher than carrots. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I'm not sure I ate it when it was big enough. I gotta be aware of bees around here, especially near the cactusy plants, which there's one way down here. And then bees like to be in the crevices of these posts. I think when I become very wealthy, I'll buy an expensive samurai sword and use it instead of my machete. Here's some more yucca. That opened this up a lot. Now I'm going to get more in here and create more of a path along the fence. Here's that cactus. There was a beehive on here, so I gotta be careful. I hope they all left. And then all up in here. Well, probably almost once a day the cows get out here, right? All the time. Oh, it's on some other barbed wire. There it is. Oh, what's up? Okay. People always just show up at the farm to talk to Corey, see what's going on. This might be the guy that fixes our water pump. I'm not sure. Didn't he say, was it like one or two of the puppies got stolen or something, he said? Oh, all of them?
He probably sold them or something.
Oh,
Well, maybe they were all stolen. We got one left. Yeah, so we gotta take that nail. It's too high. We need to go down.
okay.
Let's
Well, A7 got out. I didn't latch this gate good enough. It's kind of temporary. Here, bud. Nope, not that way. Oh, man. Yeah, he likes to run. Alright. I guess I'm gonna open this, and Big D's gonna get out, but hopefully he follows. Alright, I'm gonna have to go around him. Go this way. Okay, now he's turning back around. Come on, bud. You're almost there. No. Oh, it must be hard for him to see the fence. So he's trying to get in the area. You're almost there, bud. Hey, right here. Alright, I should have done that in the first place. Heh. Might as well take a look at their feed. Yeah, this is only a temporary because we had to go and fix so many other things here on the ranch. Yeah, that'll go there. Big D, how you doing, bud? Eating that grass in that pasture? Ooh, shedding some fur. This is from a bat. What? Huh. How you doing, bud? I hope he's not shedding some fur because of parasites, but I'll be able to tell. We deparasited them all. Gave them all either fenbendazole and or ivermectin. Big D's looking real good though. He's real comfortable with me. Gives me a good leg massage. I gave him 3 scoops this morning, so they're doing pretty good, but after we fix the fence down here, where we've been fixing, we'll have to fix the fence over here. This is where they were getting out right here, going out into this pasture. Which is fine, we were going to put them out in that pasture, but we kind of want a little bit more control over them. It's all good, Big D. Drink some water. They've been drinking good. I haven't been worrying about them at all. We're going to be pushing the troublemakers through around this area because they got out. So I'm going to be opening this fence. Then I'll open this fence. And they're right over here. You can barely see them. And we'll be having them run down the alley here and get right back out to the other pasture. It's been a real breezy day. It feels good, but that means no wind means no rain. But it's been dry, so it hasn't felt too humid at all. It's been pretty nice to work in. We don't have a gate here anymore. Not sure why. Probably just broke. But so I'm gotta stand here and let the cattle come here all the way down to those gates I opened. 3 of the troublemakers. I remember where that hole was.
Why will you go close the gate behind them?
Yep.
I'll be right back.
All right. So far, this is going pretty smooth. That was a success. Those cows know where they're supposed to be, but they still go where they want to be. Alright, time to close the last gate. A lot of ranching, and this job is opening and closing gates, especially when there are these barbed wire fence gates. And fixing them. These gates and fences are just a suggestion to these cows. Most of these cows, if they want to, they'll run right through almost anything.